Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use AI to respond to comments on YouTube using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and some comments that your channel has generated. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks. Click on this, top right corner, and then wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content, or go to Community, and here we have some comments that were added to the account via the users who would be watching the videos. Let's now go to a comment on screen. Thank you so much, it's working, for a video that was called How to Connect and Pair Your Alexa device to a Mac. We can click on reply to add a reply, or what we can do is go to replies made with AI. You're very welcome. Click on this. We can now see that we have used artificial intelligence to generate that comment that we could have added ourselves, but we have saved time by generating that response. Now let's click on reply, and there we go. Response from a comment from a user. We have now responded using AI to generate that same comment we could have typed out. However, artificial intelligence has done the job for us, so we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.